Get in the water. It's not time to get in the water yet.
I mean, at the oil creek, you said we can catch some still.
No, I don't know. You can't get too in the water. You'll get too cold. It's still not time of year to get in the water.
I know. He's got six bottles, Daddy.
Oh, you okay?
Is he okay? He landed on his jaw.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, baby. He cried.
Is he alright?
Yeah.
Happy. Poor baby.
He thought he was a superhero for a minute, didn't he?
Good, Bonnie. Sit. Sit. Body. Sit.
No. No. No.
Sit. 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 Sit.